The Yeezy 450 Stone Flax were available for immediate purchase at 50% off on the Adidas website or mainline app, but not on the confirmed app, at least for East Coast and USA in my case. I ordered them on June the 5th, selected in-store pickup at my local outlet mall, had them picked up 6 days later on June the 11th, and saw they were manufactured in June of 2022. No signs of wear or mold in my case, they still look fresh. So, despite Adidas' recommendation, which we know is not always correct, I ordered true to size, and I will say they fit at least a half a size small, if not a full size small. And that's unfortunate, because I feel the toe space and length overall is perfect for my feet. But by design, the foam squeezes the size of your feet tight. If you were to go true to size, you wouldn't notice much discomfort initially or while walking around. But if you're stationary for a while, expect a world of pain. I've always liked the design of the 450s. They look as if you're walking around on flames. It's rather neutral, appropriate for warmer months, and I personally prefer them paired with black pants or joggers. The laces are pointless, but they're there. Overall, the 450s are balanced and easy to walk in. Ergonomically, they step like runners and are super light. But for casual wearers who walk slower, you'll have no problem keeping a proper balance or posture while moving around. The knit is similar to 350s, which is nice for warmer months and super breathable. After wearing them out a few days, the 450s are quickly becoming one of my favorite shoes overall. As someone who keeps his color and styling choices rather basic, these offer a bit of, air quotes, flair to complement my 80-20 split intro extrovert personality. I think it's worth considering methods of addressing the sizing concerns, which I'm sure many non-destructive options exist. It's a model I've always wanted to own, exceeds my expectations on comfort and daily ability, and it's really just as simple as that. Anyway, thanks for watching.